Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to wake screen when receiving notifications on Redmi 13c device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing you have to do is, please open the settings menu on your device. Well, after that, here you can scroll a little bit, and then please select lock screen option. Okay, and then in this section, you can activate this menu. Wake lock screen for notifications. Okay, and then your device screen will be light up when receiving notifications. Well, that's the tutorial on how to wake screen when receiving notifications on Redmi 13c device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.